What is going on today, guys? We are back with another Streamers Tools video. In today's video, we are going to be showing you guys how to kind of level up your in-stream text. Now, this same method can be used for anything, if you need to put text like instructions on a YouTube video or whatever, you can actually create the text using this exact same tool as well. In my early stages of streaming and content creation, I use this tool a lot, so that's why I wanted to bring this to you guys as well. So basically, this tool is like I explained, it is going to be used to input text as a image file using different fonts and colors and so forth. It's basically a text generator, and it is extremely useful for creating the on-screen text that you guys are looking for. So once again, this website is going to be linked in the description below, and you guys can just click that link, but it is cooltext.com. Once again, that's going to be in the description below as well. And basically, you have your styles, and realistically speaking, there's only you pick the one you want, and so different ones have different things, but don't worry, a lot of them you can change the different things, and you're just going to want to play around with it till you get the text you're looking for. So something like this, and there will flash an ad because it is free. You can type in your text, so we can go KNIXX. As you can see, the preview window, we can go into the logo. We can, back at the text, we can change the font as well if we wanted to, so we could just go like here, and that's confusing. We're not gonna go to that one. It's a little insane. So something like that, we can go logo, and then we can change all the outline colors and stuff like that, the shadow, and then the image. We can save it as a different file format if we wanted to, and then we can hit create logo. When we create the logo, then we can edit it if we notice something was messed up, like if we wanted to change to a different color or whatever, or we can just go ahead and hit download, and it will download as a PNG file. This will let you be able to input it on pretty much anything, whether it is a video editing software, something like Adobe Photoshop. Whatever the case may be, it is a very awesome and helpful tool in a lot of circumstances. Well, guys, that will kind of can it for now. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. Peace.